Shir, so one last, I would say, golden nugget that I really want to take from you, and we've spoken this in our impression series and on our calls also, that you are somebody who has a lot of patience. At the same time, you can direct conversations if they kind of deviate from a track. How do you do it?
Well, I think this has to do with my job, right? Before joining, my work and everything, and which is hardly what 11 years back, I was a very different person. And in fact, even before that, अपना MBA में I joined Christ College, and that was 2 years which really transformed me into a very different person. उसके पहले भी मैं बहुत अलग आदमी था. Like I could not have spoken in front of 4 people. Right? मेरा मतलब I was such an introvert. I'm still an introvert, but not as much. I'm probably out of my shell, but standing next to it.
Oh, that's a nice thing. Huh? I'm out of my shell, but I'm standing next to it.
Yeah, because
That's one amazing thing.
because I kind of still value that bit of privacy. But what I'm trying to say is, what got me to come out of the shell was I didn't have a choice. you know आज के टाइम में MBA करिकुलम कैसा है, आई डोंट नो हाउ इट इज़ बीइंग डन, बट हमारे टाइम में तो you had no choice but to come in front of the class, and my class was like 60-65 people. आपको उनके सामने बैठ खड़े होके 15 मिनट की प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है ऑलमोस्ट एवरी अदर वीक. And if you're someone who can't talk in front of people, you will either transform yourself or you will end up breaking yourself, because there is no other way, there is no other go. आपको तो बात करना ही करना है कि नहीं? So that fear of talking to people, and not only that, when you stand in front of people, you have so many eyes looking at you कि कुछ तो बोल. you know it literally makes your mind go blank, है कि नहीं? और जिस आदमी की फटती है 4 लोग के सामने में, उसकी और कितनी फटती होगी, वो तो 74 से चबूतरा बन जाता होगा. राइट? बट देन लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, आई डिडंट हैव अ चॉइस. तो मैंने कहा भैया करना नहीं करना वाला बात नहीं है, करो, क्या कर सकते हैं. सो आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग थिंग्स इन अ स्मॉल लिटिल पीस ऑफ पेपर कि मेरे को ये 4 पॉइंट के ऊपर बात करना है. नाउ द चैलेंज वाज नॉट टू रिमेंबर द 4 पॉइंट, बट टू रिमेंबर वो 4 पॉइंट के अंदर क्या है. Which again I started then taking more printouts with me, but then I started from somewhere, right? बोलना है तो चलो, let us start from here. And nobody judged me over that because सबकी उतनी पड़ती है. So it was a mutual understanding कि भाई ठीक है, तू कर तो रहा है कुछ. So now when that fear is conquered, you realize कि organizing myself is really important, right? Organizing the information that I have to spit out over there is really important. How I deliver it is later. Deliver करना है, पहले ये कर लो, पहला स्टेप, बाद में पॉलिशिंग करते रहेंगे, right? So that is something that helped me transform into what I have become today. And from that MBA time, फिर जॉब में भी क्या है, जॉब में I joined as a business analyst, and मेरे को बोला गया था कि तुम जो काम करना है वो तो सीखो ही, प्लस देखो हाउ कैन इट बी मेड बेटर. कोई चीज़ अगर 1 घंटे में हो रहा है, उसको ऑटोमेट करो, और उसको कितनी कम टाइम में कर सकते हो. इट शुड बी लेस देन 1 hour, भले ही 55 minutes हो, बट यू स्टार्ट समवेयर. विच मेंट दैट नाउ आई नीड टू गो एंड टॉक टू पीपल आउटसाइड ऑफ माई टीम and explain to them what needs to be done, why it needs to be done, इसका फ़ायदा क्या है. तो all the presentation and all that in front of our technology team, and that point of time I didn't understand technology either, right? So those kind of interactions again got me to this point that organize yourself, be clear with what you want to talk. वो मीटिंग का एजेंडा क्या है, be clear with that. कई बार ऐसा भी होता है, like we spoke about creative people having a one track mind, right? It happens with anyone and everyone, क्योंकि सब लोग सोचते हैं मैं ही सही हूँ, आप पुनिश भगवान है, राइट? तो अगर मैं उनसे कह रहा हूँ कि हमें 1 घंटे के अंदर 1500 एंट्रीज करने हैं, देयर भी 1500. अरे 5,500 कर देंगे, क्या बात कर रहे हो, 5,500 होगा भी नहीं, उतना नहीं चाहिए। सो हैविंग दोस नेगोशिएशन, एंड यू ऑल्सो नो कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ ना तो एनुअल रिव्यू में मार ली जाएगी, इंक्रीमेंट नहीं मिलेगा, बोनस नहीं मिलेगा, प्रमोशन नहीं मिलेगा, उसके ऊपर से पीपल विल मेक एन इम्प्रेशन अबाउट यू कि इससे तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता। आई डिडंट वांट टू बी दैट पर्सन, राइट? अगेन आई डिडंट हैव अ चॉइस, अगेन आई हैड टू कम आउट ऑफ माई शेल। सो दैट इज़ हाउ इट बिल्ड्स। नाउ इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि आप इसको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह देखते हो या मुसीबत की तरह। दैट्स अ डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर, right? So when I saw that as an opportunity to better myself is where I was then comfortable with even driving meetings. And that is where, to your question, like how do you ensure people don't deviate and all comes into picture. आप मीटिंग कर रहे हो, आपको पता है आधे घंटे की मीटिंग है, इसमें आपको पानी और दूध और तेल सब अलग करना है। अब उसमें कोई एक बेवकूफ़ आके फालतू की बकवास करने लगता है, यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू डील विद दैट सिचुएशन, क्योंकि वो बेवकूफ़ आपका मैनेजर भी हो सकता है या अगली टीम का मैनेजर भी हो सकता है कि नहीं? बट देन हाउ डू यू टैकल दैट पर्सन की बॉस, हम लोग इस चीज़ के बारे में बात करें, कैन बी कम बैक टू दिस, और व्हाट इज़ योर पॉइंट एग्जैक्टली, थोड़ा क्लैरिफाई करो, मे बी आई एम मिसिंग इट, है ना? इस तरह से तो हाउ डू यू डिप्लोमेटिकली टेल दैट पर्सन, ब्रो व्हाट द हेल। सो ये सब उसी से आया मेरे को, मतलब।
Amazing. So thank you so much, Shishir. I mean, I really want to continue this conversation, but of course, let's keep it for our next episode. And of course, Ashlers are coming to the Biblio Babu show very soon, which is I don't even know how long that conversation will be, because I have so much to ask all of you. I mean, both of you. But thank you so much, Shishir, for joining today, and thanks for making this lovely and lively at the same time. And I look forward to host you once again.
Yeah, man, this was a really good conversation. मतलब मज़ा आता है, when you have this, it does not feel like an interview between two podcasts. It's like we are anyway friends, but even then, when the conversation is so, fluid, it's quite effortless. So I enjoyed this particular show. I hope our listeners will also enjoy it. And Ashlers तो खैर आएगा ज़रूर. I'll coordinate with Rinesh. He's a very busy man. So उसके साथ coordinate करके मैं आपको बताऊंगा. So yeah, to all the listeners of Biblio Babu show, I wish you all the very best from my side, and I hope you enjoyed this conversation as much as we enjoyed doing this for you.
We did. And when someone asked me, because podcasting is too much of a work, it kind of drains your time and energy both. So when somebody asked me कि क्यों करते हो, because पैसा तो है नहीं इसमें, क्यों करते हो, and this is what I tell them, that the kind of conversations that I have, the kind of connections that we build up just through this domain, it's priceless. I mean, you don't want to leave it.
Agree.
मेहनत लग रही है, जान जा रही है, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में हम लोग सिर फोड़ रहे हैं, everything said and done, but when you listen to the conversation again, and then it's like you're reliving the conversation multiple times over. एक तो in the conversation, and then post production, and then the final production, and then putting snippets out. So it's an amazing experience, and I would once again thank you for making this also an amazing experience, Shishir, and I look forward to host you once again.
Thanks a lot, man. I'll just say one last thing, when even on my podcast, when I do interviews like this, sometimes the discussion goes so well. When I'm doing a post processing of that, I catch myself smiling at that discussion, and I realize कि इतना अच्छा डिस्कशन चल रहा है. I myself am smiling when I'm the internal party to it. सोचो अगले को कितना मज़ा आएगा, and I hope people actually enjoy it. So I think that's a takeaway from this, right? Put yourself out there. You may not know that you could do this, because even I thought I could not do this, but then I just did it. So put yourself out there. You never know, you might be the next great podcaster or YouTuber or whatever. So yeah, thanks so much, Aman. This was a pleasure. Looking forward to more. See you, man.